On off, yes.
So this is a very, we did the other one at much higher power the other side and it came off extremely quickly. This is it's still taking it off, you see, but
yeah, well, that's coming off perfectly.
Yeah, but we could take it off.
You always have to keep it moving, eh? You don't leave it.
Well, you can leave it. I mean, it depends on what you're. If you leave it in one spot, you're going to get more heat build up into the. You know, you're pouring more energy into one spot there, so you will get some heat. It's a stubborn piece there.
I like how quiet it is compared to CO2.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
CO2
sure.
is monotonous.
Yeah, so green vibration as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, paint's off. And that's at the lowest setting?
That's a very, very low setting. I mean, we could take that off in a very, very rapid way. On this side, it came off, you know,
yeah.
as quick as you pass over, it comes off.
That